Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Bitcoin account. First, you'll need to pick a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. This platform will be where you buy and sell Bitcoin. Next, you'll choose a secure digital wallet to store your cryptocurrency. We'll then walk through the initial steps of creating your account and completing the necessary verification processes. It's simpler than you might think to get started with digital currency. When selecting an exchange, look for platforms with strong security and reasonable transaction fees, perhaps around 0.5% to 1.5% per trade. For your wallet, hardware options like a ledger or Trezor provide top-tier security, typically priced between $70 and $150. If you're starting with smaller amounts, a software wallet on your phone or computer can be convenient and is usually free. Always prioritize security for your digital assets. After choosing your exchange and wallet, you'll need to complete identity verification. This usually involves uploading a government-issued ID and proof of address, a process that can take 1 to 3 business days. Once verified, link your bank account or debit card to fund your account. Most exchanges allow deposits starting from $10 or $20. With funds available, you're ready to make your very first Bitcoin purchase. To keep your Bitcoin secure, always enable two-factor authentication on both your exchange and wallet. This adds an extra layer of protection. Regularly check your transaction history and wallet activity for any unusual movements. Remember, staying informed about security best practices is crucial in the crypto space. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to explore new worlds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.